With stock markets down, oil prices low.
We're not going anywhere because all the traffic trying to get into the tunnel is on a yellow box junction, and so nobody could move. This is the tunnel traffic. You might just be able to see it beyond this car. I've been stuck here now for 3 changes of lights, and it doesn't look like it's going to get any better soon. I literally haven't moved. Traffic's coming off of the tunnel approach to try and jump the queue. This really needs to be sorted out because this is getting too regular occurrence.